Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi class, how's life? I hope you are very well today and you can enjoy our lesson. So, in this slide, I have got some words or phrases for you. Jadi dalam slide ini yang saya tunjukkan, di sini ada beberapa kata atau frase. Ya. Hopefully, you are familiar enough with these words. Semoga kalian sudah cukup kenal dengan kata-kata ini. Right. Here we have got in order to. In order to. Next, in order not to. In order not to. And then going to. Going to. Will. Will. Next, would like to. Would like to. In order that. In order that. So that. So that. Right. In bahasa, maybe you've ever heard these words, ya. Jadi mungkin dalam bahasa Indonesia kalian sudah pernah mendengarkan translationnya atau terjemahannya. So, in order to in bahasa is supaya. Supaya atau agar. So, students, I hope you can take note for this lesson. Jadi tolong buat catatan-catatan in your book for this lesson, ya, untuk pelajaran kali ini. In order to, supaya, agar, sehingga. In order not to. Nah, di sini ada tambahan not. In order not to. Agar jangan atau sehingga tidak, agar supaya tidak, ya, aduh double, supaya tidak, ya, kayak gitu. And then we have going to. Going to sama dengan will, akan. Tetapi going to ini sudah pasti, ya. For example, at time of your speaking, in your action, for example, you're gonna go to canteen and then you say I'm going to go to canteen. Is that right? Yes. I'm going to go, saya akan pergi ke kantin. Berarti right now, right in her or his action. Jadi pada saat dia melakukan tindakan tersebut, yaitu pergi ke kantin, dia gunakan going to, ya. I'm going to go, saya akan pergi. Nah, going to dia ditemani oleh to be sebelumnya, ya. To be itu kalian sudah tahu, is, are. For example, I am going to go. Am di situ to be-nya. He is going, ya, he is going to watch the movie. He is going to watch the movie. Is-nya di situ sebelum going to. Nah, itu to be, ya, is. Nah, dia selalu bersama-sama atau menemani going to, yang artinya akan. Nah, will juga akan, ya, but still a plan, ya, rencana, not plan, rencana. Okay. Next we have so that. So that, kata ini itu in bahasa supaya atau agar, ya. Nah, next we have would like to. Would like to. I would like to have some exercise tomorrow, for example. I would like to. Saya mau atau saya akan. Nah, itu ya. Oke, in order that. In order that. Supaya. Agar. Jadi sama saja dengan yang tadi ya, in order to, in so that, in order that. This is only variations ya. Variasi. To make you sound more rich in your language or in your sentences. Jadi kalau kalian menggunakan berlatih berbahasa Inggris meskipun dalam bahasa yang atau kalimat sederhana, tapi kalian memvariasikan beberapa istilah atau kata, nah itu membuat terdengar seperti lebih kaya dalam menggunakan kosakata, dan that's really good. Tentu sangat baik ya. Alright. So, I hope you are familiar with this. Jadi, semoga kalian kenal kata-kata ini. Dan next slide, I'm going to show you the next slide. Iya, jadi di sini supaya kalian tahu kita mau belajar apa kali ini ya. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look on this topic. Saying intentions or purposes, or in bahasa menyatakan maksud atau tujuan. And below we have got a dialogue, some dialogues actually, because in the next slide we've got one dialogue, yeah, more, yeah, right. So between Bella and Donnie, Bella says, I'm eating enough orange so that I will be healthy. By the way, what's your favorite fruit? Bella, saya mengonsumsi atau memakan ya jeruk yang cukup sehingga saya menjadi sehat. By the way, ngomong-ngomong, what's your favorite fruit? Buah kesukaanmu apa? And then Donnie says, I usually eat mango in order to have strong body. Saya biasanya memakan mangga agar memiliki tubuh yang sehat, yang kuat ya. In order to have strong body. Nah, I guess you have noticed some underlined phrases. Jadi kalian sudah melihat beberapa underlined phrases atau kata atau frase yang sudah digarisbawahi. So that, in order to. I'm eating enough orange so that I will be healthy. Saya memakan cukup jeruk sehingga, atau saya mengkonsumsi jeruk yang cukup sehingga saya menjadi sehat. Jadi so that here in bahasa is sehingga. While in the next example, I usually eat mango in order to have strong body. Saya biasanya memakan mangga supaya saya memiliki tubuh yang kuat. Next. Nah, here is another example of dialogue today. Jadi contoh lain ya, contoh percakapan lain. Have you taken any medicine yet? Siti. Have you taken any medicine yet? Dayu. Yes, I have, but it only helps a little. Siti. Maybe you just have to take some rest in order to get well soon. Dayu. You're right. In fact, I have been to the toilet many times today. Edo. Poor you. You need to drink a lot of water so that you will not get dehydrated. Right. Di sini dialog antara Siti, Dayu, and Edo. Okay, 3 persons. They are friends. Ya. Yeah. So in bahasa, Siti, apakah kamu sudah minum obat? Dayu. Yes, I have. Ya, saya sudah. But it only helps a little. Tetapi hanya sedikit sekali menolongku ya. Maksudnya obat itu tidak terlalu menolong kayak gitu. Siti. Maybe you just have to take some rest. Mungkin kamu hanya perlu beristirahat sedikit in order to get well soon. Agar atau supaya kamu cepat pulih ya, lekas pulih, lekas sembuh. In order to get well soon, supaya atau agar, sehingga kamu bisa sembuh atau cepat pulih. And then Dayu. You're right. Kamu benar. In fact, faktanya I have been to the toilet many times today. Faktanya saya sudah pulang balik ke toilet banyak kali hari ini, ya, today. And then Edo menjawab, Edo says, poor you. Aduh kasihan, ya. You need to drink a lot of water so that you will not get dehydrated. Kamu perlu meminum banyak air, ya, atau ya banyak air. Misalnya yang kalau kita ketahui itu 8 gelas per hari, if I'm not mistaken, ya. Kalau saya tidak salah ingat, seperti itu, sekitar itu. We have to drink water, ya. Maximally or minimally 8 glass per day, ya. Okay. So that you will not get dehydrated, supaya kamu tidak mudah dehidrasi. Dehidrasi itu kan tidak enak sekali ya. It's not good and really annoying if we are in that situation, yeah. If we get dehydrated, we feel our body dried and we breathe something like heat in our body, ya, seperti ada panas dalam tubuhnya kita, right? That's dehydrated. And then you feel your lips dry, drown, or what is it, ya, whatever you wanna say. so dehidrasi, keadaan dimana bibir kita kering dan kita rasa kayak panas dalam tubuh, ya, seperti itu. So like that. Alright, so I need to go back to the previous slide. Yeah. So remember class, saying intentions or purposes, menyatakan maksud atau tujuan. Di sini contoh-contohnya masih berupa so that, in order to. Tetapi seperti yang Mem sampaikan tadi, bahwasanya untuk saying intentions or purposes, menyatakan maksud atau tujuan, itu juga berupa plan atau rencana. Nah, ya, misalkan kamu mau melakukan apa tomorrow, besok, ya, or 2 days later atau 2 hari kemudiannya, or next week, minggu depan, next month, bulan depan. What are you going to do? What will you do? So going to dan will juga kita pakai, and then would like to juga kita pakai dalam menyatakan saying intentions or purposes. Right. So the next activity, as usual, I will send you directly the link for your practices. Jadi Mem akan seperti biasa, Mem akan langsung mengirimkan link latihan kalian, ya. Link latihan kalian untuk hari ini terkait related to our lesson, terkait dengan pelajaran kita, yaitu saying intentions or purpose, menyatakan maksud atau tujuan. Baik, that's all. Bye for now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.